أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما. اللهم فقهنا في الدين. آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. Today, inshallah, let's learn next three ayahs of Surah Yasin, and number 47 to 49. First, we'll recite this. After that, inshallah, let's look into the Tajweed rulings. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. وإذا قيل لهم أنفقوا مما رزقكم الله قال الذين كفروا للذين آمنوا أنطعم من لو يشاء الله أطعمه إن أنتم إلا في ضلال مبين. ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين. ما ينظرون إلا صيحة واحدة تأخذهم وهم يخصمون. Alhamdulillah. So now inshallah let's look into Tajweed ruling of these ayahs. Ayah number 47. وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ أَنفِقُوا. Okay. وَإِذَا, Waw and Hamza for one haraka. This is Zal for two count, and also we have to pronounce it clearly with no buzzing sound. It is not فَإِذَا, it is فَإِذَا, the. Okay. قِيلَ, Qaf must be pronounced from the last part of your tongue, not from the throat. If you pronounce it from the throat, it will sound khila. Then the meaning of a word will change. It is qila. Okay. وَإِذَا قِيلَ lahum, mim sakin with no gunna is harsh shafawi. We learnt in last class that mim sakin, if it has mim and ba, the next letter, then we will do gunna on that mim sakin. But if mim sakin is followed by any other Arabic alphabet except that mim and ba, then no gunna is done on this mim. Lahum anfiqu. Ikhfa is done here on noon. Ikhfa means to hide the sound of noon sakina in the nasal cavity for two haraka, like anfi, anfiqu, not anfiqu. Don't do izhar. Anfiqu. Off again, don't pronounce it with hums like khu or ku. It is qu. Okay. Anfiqu mimma. This mim which has tajdeed will be pronounced with two count gunna, nasalization, and also there is alif maddiya, right? So you have to stretch it like mimma, ma for two haraka. مما رزقكم الله. رزق, ra heavy, qaf heavy. Both should sound like ra. Okay, but this za should be light. This za is in between a qaf and a ra, which are heavy letters. So you don't pronounce za heavy like razaqa. This is wrong. Razaqa, razaqa. Comparatively, ra is a bit lighter than qaf. Okay, still try to make both heavy. Razaqa, razaqakumullahu. Meme connected to this lam al-jalalah, the lam in the word of Allah. And this lam will be heavy because this meme has dhamma on it. Don't say razaqakumullah. La is wrong. La. Just like how you say L-A-W, law in English. Razaqakumullahu. There is a lam alif here, so better you continue. قال الذين كفروا. قال الذين. Lam is connected to this lam, and don't forget to pronounce qaf correctly. Many sisters are doing mistake in this letter qaf. It is not khala or qala, it is qala, qa. Okay. قال الذين, not z, it is a zal with no buzzing sound. قال الذين, zina, the tip of the tongue should touch the edges of your upper front teeth. Okay. قال الذين كفروا, kafaru, ka and fa light, ra is heavy and also should be stretched for 2 haraka due to this واو مادية. كفروا للذين آمنوا, للذين, ذال with no buzzing sound. قال الذين كفروا للذين آمنوا. Hamza is stretched. Why? Because there is standing fatha here. Can you see? آمنوا, nu for 4 to 5 haraka while connecting. If you want to stop here due to the break in your breath because the ayah is long, you can make just 2 haraka, but while continuation you have a choice 2 or 4 as it is madal jaiz mufassal, but it is better to keep all the mad inconsistent, especially the mad due to hamza can be stretched for 4 or 5 haraka. للذين آمنوا أن نطعموا, see this ta should be pronounced heavily and with the qalqala, and also don't pronounce it with hums. Okay, because it is similar to letter ta, right? Sometimes we'll end up saying no t, this th kind of sound should not be there. Okay, no to, heaviness, and also the qalqala must be there. نطعم, ain clear. نطعم من لو, noon sakin followed by lam. When noon sakin or tanween is followed by lam, we don't read this noon sakin at all, right? Because it is getting completely merged in this lam. So we will directly connect mim to lam, and lam is emphasized. Malla, not man, it is mal. Okay, don't read that noon now. Mallau, aw kind of sound, wow lean. Mallau yasha'ullahu. Sheen has fatha followed by alif, that is alif maddiya, and hamza is in the same word, right? The same word means mad al wajib muttasil, mandatory to stretch for 4 or 5 haraka. Yasha'ullahu. This hamza has dhamma, that is why this lam al jalala is heavy. How to make it heavy? La, isti'ala. You should not say la. It is not yasha'ullahu. La is wrong. Yasha'ullahu. Allahu. Okay? Fine. Mallau yasha'ullahu at'amah. Again, ta here must be pronounced with a qalqala and heaviness, and also you don't make this hamza heavy. To make this ta heavy, we'll end up saying auto. O is wrong. At'amah. Okay. This ha which has inverted dhamma followed by hamza in the next word, madal sila kubura, you can stretch it for 4 or 5 haraka. But if you want to stop here, as the ayah is long, better you stop here. The signs are 2. Qaf means you can stop. Sad lam ya means waslul ula, better to continue. But still, if you stop here, there is no need to continue from back. Just stop here and continue from here, okay? While stopping, this mad, which is to be stretched for 4 haraka, will be invalid. Now you'll have to convert this into sakina and say at'amah. Ha must be pronounced, okay? At'amah, in this way. Now continue from here. In antum, in no gunna is hard due to this hamza. In antum, here you have to do ikhfa, hiding noon in nasal cavity for 2 haraka, not an but antum. Okay, meme with no gunna, because next letter is not mim and also it is not ba. It is very easy. Mim sakin, if it is not followed by mim or ba, then you'll not have to pronounce it with gunna. Just do izhar. In antum illa. Emphasize this lam and then stretch for 2 haraka. Illa fi. 2 count again due to this ya maddiya. Fi dalalin. Da. From the sides of your tongue. All the sides of your tongue is used to pronounce this dot. You can either use just one side, but still better you use both the sides and pronounce it more heavily, like da, da, dalalin. But don't make this lam heavy. Don't say dalalin. Law is wrong. Dalalin. Okay. Tanween followed by mim. Idgham ma'al ghunna. 2 count ghunna. Dalalim mubin. This ya maddiya for 2 haraka, 4 haraka or 6 haraka according to the ruling of madul arid lis-sukun. Alhamdulillah. Now let's recite this ayah, which is very long, breaking it into many parts inshallah. Okay, but remember, wherever you break, due to the break in your breath, you have to go at least a word or two back, minimum 2 words back, and recite again from that part. Okay. وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ أَنفِقُوا مِمَّا رَزَقَكُمُ اللَّهُ قَالَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا لِلَّذِينَ آمَنُوا أَنُطْعِمُ مَن لَّوْ يَشَاءُ اللَّهُ أَطْعَمَهُ إِنْ أَنْتُمْ إِلَّا فِي ضَلَالٍ مُبِينٍ. Alhamdulillah. Now inshallah next ayah. وَيَقُولُونَ مَتَى هَذَا الْوَعْدُ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ. وَيَقُولُونَ. Okay, waw and ya for 1 harakat, there is just fatha on it. Wa ya ulu. Both the letters of qaf and lam for 2 count due to this waw maddiya. Wa yaquluna. Noon again for 1 haraka. Okay, don't say wa yaquluna. Don't stretch it. Many sisters are stretching the last letter of each word. That is wrong. Okay, wa yaquluna. Mata, ta for 2 count. Mata, hadha, ha for 2 haraka. This zal, if you stop, can be stretched for 2 haraka, but the next word is starting with hamzatul wasl. We'll apply the ruling of iltaqa sakinain, and this hamza alif maddiya is cancelled, hamzatul wasl is cancelled. Now we will connect this zal directly to lam. Mata hadhal wa'adu. Hadhal, no whistling or buzzing sound here, and also no stretching of alif maddiya. Hadhal wa'adu. Don't say wadu is wrong. Ain must be clear. If you don't pronounce the ain clearly, the word will become meaningless. Okay, hadhal wa'adu in kuntum. Here also you'll have to do ikhfa, and also here, both the places. Noon sakin is pronounced with ikhfa, that is 2 count nasalization by hiding noon sakin, not making it clear. Just like how you say ink in English. Okay, but the gunna will be for 2 haraka. Ink, in this way. Kuntum. Okay, and this meme with no gunna. إن كنتم صادقين. Saw, it must be heavy, just like how you say saw in English. Okay, I saw. You don't say I saw, you say saw, right? At least a little heavier, but here you have to make it a bit more heavy because it has 2 heaviness property. One is isti'ala and another is itbaq, so you have to make it heavy. Saw. Okay, إن كنتم صادقين. Qaf with no hums. Don't say kheen, it is صادقين. Okay. ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين. ما ينظرون إلا صيحة واحدة تأخذهم وهم يخصمون. Okay, next ayah, the last one. ما ينظرون. ما to count. ما ينظرون. This ikhfa must be a bit heavier due to this dha as it is a heavy letter. ينظرون. The makhraj of this letter dha. Okay, makhraj in the sense articulation point, and the letter zal which is in this word wa idha is same. How to pronounce it? The tip of your tongue, this tip should touch the edges of upper incisor teeth, the front 4 teeth, right? You just have to touch it to the 2 teeth. Okay, the zu. Okay, this is a the. Now this is a dha, heaviness. Dha, zi, zu. Both the letters has no buzzing sound. Okay, zal and dha. The, zi, zu. Dha. Make sure to pronounce both similar, but this dha is light and this dha is heavy. Okay, so this now dha should be pronounced with no buzzing sound and also make it heavy. Ma yanzu. If you make it light, it will sound like yanzu. Zu. Heaviness, right? Ma yanzuruna. Ra is also heavy due to dhamma. Ma yanzuruna illa. Lam mushaddad. Emphasize it and then stretch for 2 count due to this alif maddiya. Illa sayhatan. Not sai because it is not seen. It is sad, heaviness. Sayhatan. Ha very sharp, tanween followed by waw, do gunna for 2 count, idgham, like sayhatan wa, nasalization should be there. Sayhatan wa. See, the sound is going in nasal cavity. Sayhatan wahidatan. Waw for 2 haraka, and you can see these 2 has here, both ha must be sharp. Okay, sayhatan wahidatan. Ha sharpness. Wahidatan, tanween followed by this ta, ikhfa is done, 2 count gunna. Wahidatan ta'khuduhum, hamza with a jerk, a cut off sound, like ta. Cut off sound in the sense the breath and also your sound, everything just should stop quickly, like ta. Okay, don't continue it like ta'khudu. This is wrong. Ta'khuduhum. Okay, khu. This is the kha which has that scratching the throat kind of sound, like kha. But the qaf has not, this the qaf has no sound like that. Make sure not to pronounce the qaf like a kha. Ta'khuduhum. Mim sakin followed by waw, no gunna, and this mim sakin followed by ya, no gunna. Ta'khuduhum wa hum yakhisimun. Kha again with a scratching the throat kind of sound, like okay. Yakhisi. Sod must be heavy. If you say yakhisi, then it will convert to seen. You have to make it little heavy by doing isti'ala. Yakhisi. Si. There is a difference, right? Yakhisimun. Stretch it for 2, 4 or 6 count, inshallah. ما ينظرون إلا صيحة واحدة تأخذهم واحدة تأخذهم وهم يخصمون. Alhamdulillah, we have completed learning the tajweed ruling of these ayahs. Now inshallah, let's inshallah recite. Okay, I'm going to turn your mics on. Let's recite this for many times inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. وإذا قيل لهم أنفقوا وإذا قيل لهم أنفقوا وإذا قيل لهم أنفقوا مما رزقكم الله مما رزقكم الله قال الذين كفروا قال الذين كفروا للذين آمنوا قال الذين كفروا للذين آمنوا أنطعم قال الذين كفروا للذين آمنوا أنطعم من لو يشاء الله أطعمه للذين آمنوا أنطعم من يشاء الله أنطعم من لو يشاء الله أطعمه أنطعم من لو يشاء إن أنتم إلا في ضلال مبين إن أنتم إلا في ضلال إن أنتم إلا في ضلال مبين إن أنتم إلا في ضلال مبين وإذا قيل لهم أنفقوا مما رزقكم الله قال الذين كفروا وإذا قيل لهم مما رزقكم قال الذين كفروا للذين آمنوا أنطعم قال الذين كفروا للذين آمنوا للذين آمنوا أنطعم من لو يشاء الله أطعمه
الذين آمنوا يطعمون
إن أنتم إلا في ضلال مبين
إن أنتم إلا في
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد كنتم صادقين
ما ينظرون إلا صيحة واحدة تأخذهم
ما ينظرون إلا صيحة واحدة
ما ينظرون إلا صيحة واحدة تأخذهم
ما ينظرون إلا صيحة
إلا صيحة واحدة تأخذهم وهم يخصمون
إلا صيحة واحدة
تأخذهم وهم يخصمون ما ينظرون إلا صيحة واحدة تأخذهم وهم يخصمون
ما ينظرون إلا صيحة واحدة تأخذهم وهم يخصمون.
Alhamdulillah, barakallahu feekum. You all recited it very well. So inshallah practice this well and recite it tomorrow online. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Any doubts in these ayahs? No doubts? Okay, Alhamdulillah. Let's end the meeting now inshallah. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun ala al-mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakum Allahu khairan.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وأنتم فجزاكم الله